Hey, Joseph, we're back again for another session of Ask the Yocto Jester. Thanks so much for your time and generosity. And now that we have a better understanding of layers, we wanted to keep learning.
Hi Joseph, thank you so much for all the help. So some of our students had the same questions about how source packages are handled inside the Yocto project.
So, Joseph, I thought it would be nice to ask you, what is a recipe in the Yocto project?
Hey Thea, glad you asked. That's really an excellent question. You know, a recipe is basically the smallest and most common unit that you work on in the Yocto project. It basically takes one source package, mangles it through the compilation stages and whatever you need, and then generates the packages that actually go into the root file system. So I've made a small sketch for you. You usually have some form of source package somewhere on a repository or on the internet that you want to actually use. Then the recipe pulls that down. It includes the URL or the path to your repository. And the recipe also includes all the instructions that it takes to build that package. And then it outputs um, the actual package that you usually want to have installed on your target, as well as a couple of additional packages like documentation or development headers or utilities. So a recipe can output multiple packages, which you can choose from what you want to have installed in your image. So hope that makes clear what a recipe actually is. Thanks.